How to add your military units to your profile on VK on Android or iOS phone. First, open VK. Now click on your profile here and then click these 3 points in the top corner. And after that, click edit profile and scroll all the way down until you find here military service. Now just click add military unit and then click add your military unit. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.